Dr. Howze, thank you so much for being on Great Day SA today. We are talking about bunionectomies this morning. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing excellent. So tell me a little bit about Endeavor Clinical Trials and what you guys focus on at your facility.
So Endeavor Clinical Trials is a research facility, and we have multiple clinical trials that we take part in. Specifically, the part that I'm involved in the most has to do with bunionectomy trials, which is a surgery to remove a bunion from a patient.
So tell me a little bit about the surgery that you're specializing in, specifically bunionectomies.
Sure. A bunionectomy is just a removal of a bunion. It's as simple as that. And so patients who have a bunion or a bump or protrusion from the inside part of their foot next to the big toe usually causes pain to the patient in their shoe gear or with walking or prolonged standing. And so the surgery is to remove that bunion, to make a cut in the bone and realign the bone, and that gets fixated or held into place with a screw. Bunion surgery has come a long way over the course of the years, and there are many people who have misconceptions about what a bunion surgery is and how long the recovery is, and we love to answer those questions to patients. Most people are very pleased when they find out exactly how quick the recovery is and what's involved in a bunion surgery.
Right, and you're offering people who may have bunions and want to get them removed something pretty interesting.
Yes, so if you get a bunion removed in a private practice, any foot and ankle surgeon who would do a bunion surgery, that's typically what we call an outpatient procedure, meaning you go home the same day that you had the surgery. In this case, what we offer patients is bunion surgery, the same exact techniques, the same, we do the surgery the exact same way. You have the luxury of having a board certified foot and ankle surgeon and being able to do it in a surgery center. However, instead of going home, depending on the study, you stay for 3 to 5 days, and your bunion surgery is at no cost to the patient. In clinical trials, patients are usually compensated for their time and travel. And while they're at the facility, we use something very unique with the bunion surgery, which is 2 to 3 days after you have a bunion surgery, you'll have moderate pain. And we use that little pain window for patients who are interested to take part in research where we can trial these investigative medications for pain control.
And if someone's interested in being a part of this research and learning more, how can they contact you?
So we have social media pages. We have a Endeavor Clinical Trials website with a lot of information, number to the screening facility, was something that the patient would call. There are videos about the bunion surgery and more details on our website. There's also a website called removemybunion.com where you can receive a lot of information as well. We like to have patients come in for what we call screenings, where we can give them more information, find out if they're a good candidate to get their bunion removed as part of the research facility. And we just like to give information to the patients to understand what this procedure is about, because like I said, oftentimes there's some misconceptions on what goes into a bunion surgery.
Dr. Howze, thanks so much for being on our show this morning and for sharing this information with us.
Absolutely. Thank you.